For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
US tech companies criticized Donald Trump's executive order restricting work visas. Trump signed an executive order on restricting work visas on Monday. Foreign work visas including H-1B and L-1 visas suspended temporarily. H-1B visa program allows workers in specialty occupations. L-1 visa allows companies to transfer employees from foreign offices. Major tech companies in the United States prefer both visas for tapping talents. Google CEO Sundar Pichai has expressed his displeasure against the decision. Sundar Pichai said immigration has immensely contributed to America's economic success. Sundar Pichai took to Twitter to express his displeasure. Immigration has contributed immensely to America's economic success, making it a global leader in tech and also Google, the company it is today. Disappointed by today's proclamation, we'll continue to stand with immigrants and work to expand opportunity for all. Trump said to have taken the decision, keeping an eye on upcoming presidential election. Trump, who is seeking second term in the White House, is indulging in populist measures to attract voters. Trump's decision of restricting work visas will badly affect the Indian workers. Alice Wells, retired Principal Deputy Assistant Secretary of State for South and Central Asian Affairs, opposed the move. Alice Wells said H-1B visa program attracted brightest professionals from foreign countries. She said H-1B visa program made the United States more successful and resilient. Alice Wells further added that tapping foreign talent is the strength of US, not a weakness. Several tech companies in Silicon Valley had been opposing Trump's move on H-1B visas. Jessica Herrera Flanagan, Twitter's head of public policy, also opposed Trump's decision. Jessica Herrera Flanagan said Trump's policy would end up hurting the US economy rather than benefiting. Herrera Flanagan further added that America's greatest economic assets was its diversity and proclamation would undermine it. She said preventing high-skilled talent is short-sighted and would deeply damage the economic strength of America. Trump's executive order on work visa will come into effect on June 24th. Mark Zuckerberg's Facebook also opposed and criticized Trump for using COVID-19 pandemic as an excuse. Tesla CEO Elon Musk and Microsoft President Brad Smith also criticized President's executive order. Brad Smith said immigrants are contributing immensely to America's economy. Brad Smith further added that this is not the time to cut the US off from the world's talent. Elon Musk said he completely disagreed with Trump administration's decision.